Hi, this is a Lenovo laptop. This is the LCD from the laptop and it is broken. I've bought a new one and I've never replaced in this, let's say, way LCD screen. So let's see if what I order is correct, and secondly, if we can do it. Okay, so this is the new LCD. It came with this I think it's a rubber just to catch the LCD on the frame. Yeah, I'm almost sure. And yeah, let's open it very gently because these things are fragile. Probably you can ruin it in a few seconds. Okay, so it looks like it should fit, yeah. No issue, the connector is here. Where is the connector on the broken one? Yeah, it's look identical. Yeah, of course I've ordered it by a number and not just order an LCD to a laptop. Yeah, of course you should do it very carefully when you're ordering such thing to make sure you're ordering the correct. Okay, so now let's see how it goes. So there is a clip here to connect to the LCD. How does it go? I need to take it this way and then I can gently connect it. There is a tab here that is catching it in place. Yeah, it just go and the clips is closed. Looks very easy to do it. No special tool, no nothing. But now I need probably to put this tape that will catch the LCD in its place. So I'm just thinking how to do it correctly. There are two tapes that arrived with the LCD, one for each side probably. I just put it. Okay, I'm trying to understand before ruining it how to do it correctly. Maybe I should do it something like this and then make sure that it is on all the way. Okay, I did not do it very well, but I think it will be okay. Yeah, there is a spare on this side, which is not good. Anyway, here I will do it better. Yes, something like this, and then there is the old tape. This is the reason that it is not fluidable. So maybe I will take it all the way and then put it like this. It is much better than I did on the other side. Yeah, because I can make sure everything is in the correct place. Here I need to cut it a little. So I now, by chance, I have a Japanese knife here. Yeah, it's also okay. Now we remove the other side of the tape and now have to be aligned correctly. It's a little tricky, but not too much. Yeah, I think everything is nice. There is an LCD protect sheet that I need to remove before going to the next step, because I don't want to, I will not be able to remove it later if I'm closing it. Okay, how does it go here? Here, we have a camera here. We have these two antennas, so it had to be a line. There are clips. Yeah, the clips, the way I removed them, of course. There is a little tape here. We'll remove it. Nice. It's like working with Lego. There is a piece of wire here I'm trying to put in its traces, hopefully, without damaging it. Okay, I think everything is closed. Now I'll try to connect it to the laptop itself, see how it goes. So I did remove all the screws and put them back actually, so I need to remove them again. Okay, now everything is well done. Now I see the batteries that I've disconnected, so now I can put it back. Maybe I will put it back after I connect the LCD screen. Now I don't really remember how to connect, because I see that I don't see the RF connections. I did put the hinge screws on the side in order not to mix them with the other screws. Okay, this is good things that I did. Sometimes I'm thinking ahead. This is a good sign. Now how it goes. It should be connected this way. Something is very, very strange to me. No, I'm okay. So it is going like this. Yeah. I did not understand how the direction are really going, but now it's clear. Okay. Okay, I can bend it all the way, but on this side, now there is something wrong here. You should open it, and now this should be under the hinge. Now it should be closed correctly, hopefully. Yeah. Okay, now it's here, it's okay. Here it's okay. Now the RF, I remember, it goes like this from here. Yeah. Okay, the video stopped after connecting all the wires of the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi here and cleaning everything, putting the screws and the connector of the LCD itself, connecting the battery back. Now I'm able to close it and to check if this is working. So maybe before closing it, okay, maybe I will put just 2 screws just to catch the frame, the plastic. Now we'll check if the LCD is okay. It was broken, not working at all. Okay, nothing exploding yet. No picture. Lenovo. I see there are some problems with the connection because I don't have the plastic cover. It was broken also, but I guess you can work with it as it is for now. Go ahead. Let's leave it a moment to work, and then I will show you that it is coming up okay. Okay, so as you can see, everything is fine. Thank you and bye.